Hi my dear students, welcome back to another session. In the last class you already learned regarding genetic code and the main characteristic features of genetic code also you learned. So today class regarding questions on genetic code, how they are going to ask the questions in the NEET exam and CET on genetic code, 64 codons, right? So today topic is regarding how to solve the questions, on genetic code. So let's see first how they are going to ask the questions on this concept. For example, the question is here is given one sequence is given, one random sequence is given, right? It is 5 dash to 3 dash. This is 5 dash to 3 dash. Which one is mRNA, right? So here sequence is there here, like it is a random sequence is given here. For example, A G C C A G G A U A C C. This is one sequence is there. Now question is here, how many codons are present on this mRNA? Codons are here, first 3 here, first 3, 1, second codon, third codon, fourth codon. It means how many amino acids are going to form in this mRNA? 4 amino acids are going to form on this mRNA. So this is an easy question. But once the question is asking, then here what is a polypeptide chain? Polypeptide chain is formed on the above mRNA. Right? Now it is a tough task. So most of the students are going to skipping this type of questions. So for that you have to learn what? You have to learn entire 64 codons with respect to the amino acid. Which codon is going to code for which amino acid? That entire 64. Now 61 things you have to go into by heart. It is very tough task to by heart all things at a time. Right? And second type of question here, for example, is given one long polypeptide chain is given, like for example, ARG, GLU, VAL, and like one sequence is given. This is a one long polypeptide chain, right? It is one amino acid. This is one long polypeptide chain of amino acid. Now what I have to write? Based on this polypeptide chain, we have to write the genetic sequence of mRNA. We have to write the genetic sequence of mRNA. So for that what I have to know? ARG means arginic acid. Arginic acid is coded by which codon? That you have to know. It means again you have to by heart that 64 codons you have to by heart. So sometime the third pattern of the question is, sometime is given like polypeptide chain is given, ARG is given, VAL valine, for example isoleucine, and GLU glutamic acid, and GLY glycerine. That one sequence is given. So based on this polypeptide chain, you have to write, you have to know the sequence of, genetic sequence of non-sense strand of DNA. Based on this polypeptide chain, you have to write the sequence of which one? Nonsense strand of DNA you have to write. So this is actually a way of asking of questions on NEET exam as well as CET exam. Let's see, we have small tricks are there. Based on these small tricks we can solve this genetic code problems. Genetic code is a triplet. So it is a combination of 3 nitrogen bases, right? So most of the students are going to thought like ATGC. So during the preparation of checkerboard of 64 genetic codon, so they are going to start with the sequence of adenine. But here the sequence is not going to start with adenine. The sequence is always going to start with U, uracil, cytosine, adenine, and G, guanine. So first these line you have to remind. So for that, one small trick is here, universe can't go against girls. This is one small trick to begin the genetic code, right? Here U means what? Uracil, C means cytosine, and A means adenine, and G means guanine. So this is actually, you have to start with like in this sequence you have to start. What is this? Uracil, cytosine, adenine, and guanine. Okay, let's write it. The table is here. First uracil, it means universe can't go against girls. So this is first nitrogen base. Second base is again universe can't go against girls, like hat to by hat. Okay, next. And here what I have to write? Again same. Third base pair is U C A G, U C A G, U C A G, U C A G. Finished now? So this is actually first step, right? Then later you know that you can write, for example, U, first is U, second one is U, and third base pair is U. Okay, so here first one, second one U C, and third one is U A, and fourth one is U Z. So like you have to write entire 64 codons you have to write first. Now by using of this trick UCAG, we prepared one checker punnet. The checker punnet is containing 64 codons. In 64 codons, only 61 codons are going to code for amino acids. Remaining 3 are not going to code for any amino acids. It means non-functional. They are stopping codons, right? Now by using of this trick we have written, but writing of this 64 codons, it is an easy task. Just matching the here first letter, second letter, and third letter. One triplet is formed. So this is easy task. But here the tough task is, for example, CCG, it is going to code for which amino acid, or AGC, it is going to code for which amino acid. Like for example, GGC is going to code for which amino acid. It means here the tough task is what? So this particular codon, it is going to code for which amino acid, that you have to learn, that you have to by heart. That is actually tough task. So for that I prepared one small story for first column. First column is how many? 16 codons are present. So by using of this small story, you can remind the total number of amino acids and which codon is going to code for which amino acid. One small story, like Firoz is a student of Louis Pasteur. Okay, and the Louis Pasteur, he have 3 sisters. Her name is, only one name is Elizabeth. For our convenience we change the spelling, right? Elizabeth, right? Now simple. Now these all our members are, they are attended A or attended one meeting. attend one meeting. Right. So in that meeting, the teacher is a Louis Pasteur now. The Louis Pasteur is given 4 valuable suggestions to the students. 4 valuable suggestions is given to the student. So this is actually first trick for column number 1, 16 codons. Very simple here. Feroz is a student of Louis Pasteur, and the Louis Pasteur have 3 sisters. Her name is Elizabeth, and they attend one meeting, and in that meeting he is given 4 valuable suggestions to the student. Here amino acids name we are not going to write completely. We are going to write first or second letter. Sometimes 3 letters of first amino acid we are going to write. Right? For example, PHE. It is a code for phenylalanine amino acid. What is the code for phenylalanine amino acid? PHE. First 3 letters, sometimes first 2 letters are indicating, right? LEU, it means leucine amino acid, code LEU. Next amino acid is ILE, Elizabeth. It is isoleucine. It is what? Isoleucine. And next one is what? MET. Met means methionine. Okay. And last one is VAL. It means valine. Right? So this is actually code of amino acid. It means this first 16 codons which are going to code for only 5 amino acids. 5 amino acids are coded by 16 codons. Right? Chalo. Now what have to do? So Feroz, we have to remind this number compulsory. This is Feroz number is 2. Like number is 2. And Louis Pasteur number is 6. Right? Now just count it. Now all together 10 plus 6, 16. First column is formed. Simple, what you have to write, that here you have to write. For example, first one is what? Feroz now. Here also PHE. Right? Next one is what? 6. Louis. Here we have to write Louis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? And next one is what? Only one. That one is MET, methionine. No, Louis. Next one is what? Isoleucine. Isoleucine number is what? 3. And the last one is what? Oh, sorry. Number 1 is MET, methionine. So remaining 4 are valine. VAL. Right? So we can easily remind by using of this story. Right? For example, simple, he is asking what is the code of valine. For what have to do? First, just you can make a column, right? Inwards can't go against girls. UCAG. Right? Valine, it where it come? Valuable words at the last column it will come. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here will become valine. It means GU, and last one is UCAG. GU and U. Bas. So without by adding, they can simply say GUG is going to code for what? Valine. Enough. Right? Now the second column. Second column as usual, here again 16 codons are there. Okay. But here each one box is containing 4 codons. These 4 codons are going to code for only one amino acid. Right? So here this box directly the complete box code for only one amino acid. This complete box going to code for only one amino acid. Like it means the 16 codons are going to code for only 4 amino acids, right? So to knowing of again one small line, that is very small line, septa. What is septa? You know that already. If septa is absent, then what happen? Multi-nucleus condition is formed. The septa is going to separate the two nucleus. It is one small layer, right? So here we are using Se. It means serine. Se means what? Serine. Here 4 codons are going to code for serine. Next, PRO. Here R is common in all these columns. Proline. Proline is an amino acid which is again going to coded by 4 codons. SEPT. Threonine. The code is THR is a code. Amino acid is threonine, which is also going to coded by 4 codons. And last one is A, alanine. Okay, code is ALA, alanine. 4. Simple. Septa. Here first 4 column SE. It means serine. Next column all are which are PRO, proline, right? And third column is what? THR, threonine, THR, threonine, THR, right? And the last one is ALA, alanine, ALA, right? So this is very simple study to remind this second column. And one more the same for this second column is here, sir. Actually the pronunciation is same, like spelling is different. Sir, problem in Thor alarm. So this is a second trick. SE actually sir, we are using for our convenience, we are using this one, but the pronunciation is SER, sir. Okay, problem PRO going to code for which amino acid? Proline amino acid. 4. Problem in Thor, Avenger, right? In that Thor, O silent here for our convenience, THR, threonine. And alarm, ALA, alarm, ALA code for alanine. So this is actually a trick to remind second column. For third column, for here again 16 codons is there. Here it is a little bit complicated because these 16 codons are going to code for 7 amino acids. And here you know that out of 64, 3 are non-functional stop codons. They are UAA and UAG, UAA, UAG and UGA. So these 3 codons are what? Stop codons. They are not going to code for any amino acid, right? And next, so remaining how many? It means 14. So these 14 are going to code for how many amino acid? 7 amino acids. And each column here in each box 2. So these 2 are going to code for 1 amino acid, 1 amino acid, 1 amino acid. like. Okay, let's see one small silly story here. You can see one small family. Then here one brother and sister. Brother name is Asan and sister name is Zinu. So actually they're ready for going off one party. So here the brother is said tayar. It means ready in Hindi. T-Y-R, tayar. T-Y-R, it means ready. So it is getting late. So he said to sister, just you can stop the reading. Stop the tayar. It means tayar on a band karo. It means just stop it. Right, he said. So like he said H-I-S, his said to his sister. The sister name is Jinu, G-I-N. Sister name is what? Zinu. Then the sister is getting very angry on his brother. The brother name is Asan, A-S-N. Brother name is what? Asan. Then immediately he is ready to file a case on his brother, right? Along with his liar. So Zinu with liar, L-Y-S with liar, is consulted. She is consulted to ASP, to consult ASP to stop the nonsense which is what's used by his brother. It means GLU, glue. So this is one silly story, right? What happened here? Just he said one brother, he is saying that his sister, just tayar hona band karo, just stop it. It's too getting late. To his sister name is what? G-I-N, Jinu, right? Next, so then Jinu along with Jinu it is get angry on his brother. Brother name is Asan. Then he is along with lawyers is complained to ASP to stop the nonsense which is what's used by his brother. So this is one small story. TYR, it means thyronine amino acid. Stop. Every amino acid is coded by 2 codons. HIS means histidine. Histidine means what? Histidine. GIN, it means glutamine. Glutamine. ASN means asparagine. LYS means lysine. And ASP means aspartic acid. And glue means glutamic acid. Right? And each and every amino acid is going to code for, it's going to coded by 2 codons. Right? Simple. So this first 2 are going to code for TYR. The second one stop codons. The third set is HIS, histidine. Fourth set is GIN and ASN, LYS, and these 2 are ASP, and the last one is GLU, glue. So it will take some time, but while you are reading first time and second time, you can get easily, right? So this is a second, third column trick. Now the fourth column. The fourth column is here same again. Here it is one stop codon. It is one stop codon. It means remaining how many? Remaining are 16. 16 means 15, right? Here for that also one small story. That one is sister, CYS. The pronunciation phonetics is little bit same, so that's why we are, for our convenience, we have changed. Sister is trapped, TRP. Sister is trapped to his brother, to her brother. The brother name is ARG, Arjun. Brother name is what? Arjun. So why the sister is trapped to her brother? Because she want to grow with brother to Argentina and Syria. SER means Syria, and again ARG means Argentina. Okay? So this is one small trick to remind this entire this 15 column. Very simple. So sister, it means the pronunciation like spelling CYS. Cis. CYSR, it is going to code for cysteine. It going to code for cysteine amino acid. This number you have to remind. No tricks for number. Okay, cysteine number is 2. Next, TRP. Trapped. The number is 1. Okay. Next, Arjun. ARG means arginic acid. Arginic acid. SER means serine. SER means serine. This is. Now write it. For these two column, what is CYS? These two are going to code for cysteine. Next, UGG is going to code for what? Tryptophan. TRP. Next, Arjun. These 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, these all are going to code ARG. Next, SER, serine. The last two are again ARG. Okay. Now last 4 columns are remaining. Now these 4 columns are, now the story is reached to the climax, the end. So for example, soybean. The soybean scientific name is what? Glycine max. Glycine max. So when the story is end, it with the glycine max. Glycine, GLY. Gly means here glutamic acid. Glutamic acid. The number is what? 4. Right? So this is actually way of reminding of these all things. We can easily guess nearly 8 marks in NEET exam. Okay. Let's see the conclusion. How we are going to get the result from these from all 4 stories. For random one mRNA is given. Random one mRNA is given. The sequence is like is given 5' to 3'. The sequence is given like for example A, C, C, A, G, G or A, C, C, A like is given. So this is one codon, second and 3. For example, these 3 are given. What you have to find out? We have to find out what type of polypeptide chain is formed on this mRNA. Simple. First we have to do simple. Universe can't go against girls. First you have to draw this U, C, A, Z. Right? Next. And within 1 minute you have to solve this question. Okay? Next. ACC. Where the ACC is formed? Here is A. C. It means it is formed in this column. Right? A, C, C. A, C. Here U, C, A, G. Right? A, C, U and A, C, C and A, C, A and last one is A, C, G. Right? So here the code is there here. ACC is going to code for which amino acid we have to find out. ACC. So this is actually one codon. We have to find out this codon is going to code for which amino acid. Simple. We have to remind second column story. Second column story is what? Second column story 1, 2, 3, 4. Like the second column story is what? Septa. SEPTA, septa. It means these four are going to code for which amino acid? 309. 309. Finished. Like within 1 minute, we are going to solve the question, right? If it is, for example, given AGC is given, we have to find out the AGC is going to code for which amino acid. Simple. Within 20 minutes, within 20 seconds, we have to draw this one first. AGC. Where AGC form? Here A, here G, and C. This is fourth one, right? AGC, A, G, see here, U, C, A, G, write it, A, G, U, and A, G, C, and A, G, A, and A, G, G, right? Then here, just remind the last column story. The story is what here? If any codon is there here, it should be what? Glycine max. So here should become what? Like Argentina as well as Syria and Argentina. Here these two are what? Serine. These two are what? Arginic acid. AGC is going to code for arginic acid, right? So like what you have to do, simple. First you have to by heart this first column story, second, third, fourth column story you have to by heart. Then immediately you can apply it and you can get the answer. Okay. Next one more question. Here is given one sequence is given. So this given is 5' to 3' one strand is given. The given strand is what? It is mRNA. It is mRNA here, and same as usual codes are given. Like codes are given. Here the questions are, the first question is how many nucleotides are present? How many nucleotides on given mRNA? How many nucleotides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 nucleotides are there. These 13 nucleotides are going to code for how many amino acids? And these 13 nucleotides are come together to form how many codons? Right? Here we know that this is a triplet. Here one codon, second codon, third codon, and fourth codon. It is an individual single nucleotide which is not going to code for any amino acid, right? So for that what I have to write? Codon number is what? Codon number is 4. If codon number is 4, ultimately amino acid number is what? Amino acid number also be what? 4, right? Then next, here the sequence is here the question is regarding, like for example, glycine, alanine, and isoleucine, and like one random amino acid sequence is given. So the question is what? Based on this polypeptide chain, we have to find out the sequence of nucleotides on antisense strand of the DNA. What you have to find out? Sequence. Which is sequence? Nucleotide sequence of antisense strand of DNA, right? The question is asking, we have to find out the template strand which is act as template for formation of mRNA. So the template strand sequence is asking, right? So first what I have to do? Simple. First we have to find out the GLY is going to code by which codon, that you have to find out. UCAG, right? Again UCAG. First here glycine. Where the glycine is come? You know that already glycine is what? At the end of the column. Here the glycine will come. Right? Glycine maximum. Right? Glycine max. So here these 4 codons are going to code for only one amino acid, that is what? Glycine. G, G, and here U, C, A, G. G, G, U, C, A, G. Choose any one of the option here. For example, G, G, U. I'm going to. It is going to code G, G, U. Right? Second one is alanine. So just we have to recall the story of. First one is what? Like Feroz, Louis Pasteur, and Elizabeth. Like this is the story. So here alanine is not coming under. Next story is what? Next column story is septa. S-E-P-T. Septa. A. Alanine. So here will come. Here. Right. Second column here S-E, here P, here T, either A. Alanine. So this is going to code for alanine. Just write it G-C, 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 and UCAG, UCAG. So here GU, GCU, GCU, it is going to code for what? Alanine. Next one is ILE. You know that Elizabeth is a sister of like Louis Pasteur. It first column. First column Feroz number is 2. Feroz number is what? 2. Next Louis Pasteur. Louis Pasteur number is 6. It means here 4, here 2, here 4. Next Elizabeth. Here it will come under 3 number. Elizabeth is a 3 number. So it means here A, C, A, C, A, C, like A, C, U. That is a code for Elizabeth, right? A, C, U. Last one is what? CY, cis. Cis is coming here. The sister is dropped to his brother. Here it comes, cis. U, G, U, G, U, U, C, A, G. These two are right. I'm going to write this code U, G, U. Now we have one. Now this is a sequence of mRNA. Write it. So this is what? 5' to 3' mRNA. The sequence is G, G, U, G, C, U, A, C, U, and U, G, U, U, G, U. Right? So this is mRNA. Now what we have to do? So this mRNA is formed on which strand? mRNA is formed on which strand? Nonsense strand of the DNA. Right? So this is actually DNA here. So this is 5' to 3'. That is act as sense strand, nothing but code copy. It is not act as a template. Next one is again anti-parallel. So this is act as a template. It is act as a template. Now complementary bonds. Here uracil is here na? On DNA which is formed? Adenine. G, C, adenine. Uracil is here adenine. Guanine. Here A is going to bind with thioamine. Adenine, guanine, cytosine. Uracil is going to bind with generally adenine here. Adenine, cytosine. G is C. Right? Now you can see this is actually sequence of what? So this is this strand is what? Antisense. Antisense strand of DNA which is act as a template. Right? So by this we can easily solve the questions. Just we have to by heart what? Have to by heart story of column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. So don't try to by heart the individual codes. individual codes, or individual code is going to code for which amino acid. Don't by heart in that way. Just by heart the story of column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. At least after 4 or after 5th time, it will definitely the idea will become in the mind, and while solving of question, just make it short, and within 1 minute or 2 minutes you can solve. Okay, thank you all of you.